So we're in Downey. So ice cream truck is right there. So we're in Western Avenue. Babel Hill. Ein apartment like that. So we're here, City of Downey. So there's ice cream truck here early.